Okay, so inside here I've got all my goodies to tie-dye. Got a couple t-shirts, a robe, and a pair of sneakers. I can't wait to see how they come out. So I got my handy dandy plastic table set up outside, and I chose 9 beautiful colors, and I've got my cookie tin full of elastics, and I am all set to tie-dye. Let's get started. Okay, the bulk of my stuff has been soaking in soda ash and water for about 20 to 30 minutes or so, and now I've tied everything up and I'm ready to add my colors. I'm going to start with these awesome shoes. So the last thing I'm going to tie-dye today is probably one of the biggest things I've ever tried to dye. It's a robe. It's 82% cotton and 18% polyester, so I'm not sure how the color will stick, but I've had it soaking in soda ash for over an hour, so hopefully that will help. Let's see what happens. Alright, so that was all of the stuff that I had to tie-dye today. Now I've got to wait. The instructions say 6 to 8 hours. I usually do 24 hours just to make sure all of the color is soaked in fully. And I'll show you what it looks like when they're done. Bye! Alright, it's about 20 or so hours later. I'm gonna throw my stuff in the wash, add a pinch of soap because of all of the soda ash, and we'll see what we come up with. Aren't they beautiful? I used the same colors in everything, and it all took, and it's all so bright and beautiful. Oh my goodness. I'm definitely gonna have to use these colors again and experiment with new patterns. This one in particular was really fun to do. It was very random. I just kind of scrunched it and rolled it, and I've never gotten that pattern before. I think it's my new favorite shirt. I love the scrunch pattern design, which is why I did 2 of them. One was a medium, and the other one was a large. I have another shirt with less colors, more just the random neon rainbow bits, and it's got a hole in it, so I wanted to replace it, so this was my attempt. These are very different, you know, color-wise, but I love them. And then of course the classic spiral, which I am so glad I took that plunge and added those 2 darker colors, the darker green and the darker blue. They add such a beautiful depth. Oh my God. And then the last thing that I did, which I was not sure about, was my robe. The 18% polyester did not cause an issue for me. That's the back of the robe, and of course the tie, but it's got a hood that's also nice and bright, colorful. It's hard to tell, you know, I'm holding the camera so I got a little too close, I'm sorry. And then of course, my sneakers. I can't wait to wear them. I just hung everything up, so they're all still wet. I can't wait until they are dry, and then I will wear them everywhere. And if you liked this video and would like me to do more tie-dye for fun or as a tutorial video, please let me know. I would be happy to make many, many, many more of these.